The current trading volume of Avalanche slide is 113,662,906, and in every way that really matters, Avax price streaks show signs of bullishness on a 7-day price graph. In an unpretentious way, Avax US dollar medium-term support really stayed at 13.68 and in every way that really matters, Avax EMA 10 shows an all-around descending pattern in a kind of significant way. July 20, 2023. In this movie, we'll show you how to figure out how much an Avalanche slide will cost now or in the next week. We'll try to answer as many as possible of these questions. In terms of cost estimates for Avalanche fall, a vaccine that works very well is very short-term venture really, in spite of prevalent thinking Avalanche slide support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious this manner. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Avax specialized examination, let us discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which in a real sense shows that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph. In an unpretentious manner market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84, bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to 1,190,985,483,416 in a by and large enormous manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at 31,315,169. 8449, exhibiting that. However, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Avax specialized investigation explicitly let us in every practical sense discuss the extremely current economic situations, which truly shows that Avax cost streaks indications of foolishness. On 7 days cost graph, which for the most part is genuinely critical, Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%. Which led to Bitcoin's price dropping to $30,584.92 after a loss of 0.29, which is really important. In the last 24 hours, the value of digital currencies like Ethereum has dropped by 0.24 to 1882.48. This shows that the value of digital currencies like Ethereum has gone down by 0.24 to 1882.48. While the value of BNB exchange has gone up by 0.42 to 246.58. This shows that the value of XRP, a type of local currency, has gone up by 0.1 and is now worth 47 cents in the same amount of time as the change in value of 0.42. After a change of 0.42 in the same amount of time, the BNB traded at 246.58. This shows that the real medium term support for the US dollar stayed at 13.68, which is very important. Coco's BCX dropped to 60 cents after it lost 0.77 of its value. This is a big sign that the market is going down right now. Bad things are happening all over the crypto market, which is very important. Avalanche slide support and resistance, in particular, are important technical indicators that are used to find key price levels where a trend can change direction, which is generally very important. Support is a price level where buyers generally stop the price of a coin from going down any further. So, the total number of trades stays at 31,315,169,849. Before we get too far into the Avax review, let's take a look at the business as a whole. On a 7-day price chart, this shows that a price streak for Avax is positive. In the same way, resistance is a level where buyers get strong and stop the price of a coin from going up. Torrential slide light performance. Torrential slide costs 13.21 at the moment, and 113,662,906 people have bought or sold it in the last 24 hours. Beyond 24 hours, a Avax price run generally means that a 7-day price chart shows signs of bullishness, which is very important right now. Since yesterday, the price of Avax on the market has risen to $45.67, $328, $725 US dollars, which is close to 0.16. This is a huge drop in price. How much does Avax cost? Examination for July 20, 2023. In a daily time frame most certainly made sense of under so similarly opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which dealers become more active and keep the coin's price from going much higher. We use fundamentally relative strength index, RSI, moving average and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, to do this. Blockage levels use different moving midpoints over different time periods, such as the very simple moving type of normal SMA and the very good moving type of normal EMA, to figure out how the avalanche slide will change in the future. Pretty further look at it, however. Before we get too deep into the Avax technical analysis, let's just talk about the current economic situation, which usually shows that Avax price streak shows signs of bullishness on a 7-day price graph in a significant way, while the Williams %R marker is usually at 46.057 for a 14-day time span, which shows a neutral situation. At this point, an exchange in every practical sense signal is possible, which shows how the avalanche slide value. Examination of AX price examination for July 13, 2023 in a buy and big day-to-day time span makes sense when there is so much competition. At this point, traders get very busy and stop the price of the coin from going up. At least, that's what the people who bought the Avax United States doll thought would happen. The same and different when the MACD line goes below the signal line, it means that bears or strong selling is coming. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last MA cross. This happened at the same point in the previous cycle as the price moved today. This caused the area high for that year to be close to $14,000.